Konnichiwa. In Karuizawa, autumn's peak colors last only a few weeks. Here are the moments you shouldn't miss. We start on the Old Nakasando Road, where travelers walked under the same autumn light centuries ago. Then Old Karuizawa Ginza Street, lit by morning sun filtering through the forest. At Kumoba Pond, the still water becomes a mirror, reflecting deep reds and gold. And at Harunire Terrace, the forest and wooden deck glow warmly at sunset. Don't forget to turn on subtitles in your language, and please support us by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.